Hi, I'm Tom, and this is my father, Terry. We're the third and fourth generation owners of Adirondack Appliance. Since 1929, our family has proudly served the upstate New York area with quality appliances and outdoor living products. Today, we are proud to bring you the fifth generation of our business and our family. Meet Aiden, Brenya, and Christian. Like their daddy, they are die-hard foodies, and they want to bring their love of cooking, barbecue, and appliances to the world through our new website, adkappliance.com. For generations, Intuit products have helped shape and grow our successful business. Thank you for the opportunity to be a part of Intuit's Small Business Big Game contest. We would love to have Intuit help take our business to the next level by exposing our online store to the world.
See you, we're Intuit.